In today's Weekend Download, we're talking about getting your kids to unplug at home. Of course, it is easier said than done, but it is possible. And recently I spoke to our ABC News consumer correspondent, Becky Worley, who offered some great advice. It's all about balance, and sometimes you just want to have a kill switch for those devices.
It would be great if you could just zap and turn the kids' devices off. A couple of apps I can recommend. For Android, one called Dinner Time. It turns off all of the texting, all of the calling, and you can put time limits on it so they go to bed. For iPhones and iOS devices, it's a little bit more complicated, one called Hour Pact. The point is, putting the time in up front as parents to control these gadgets will make life so much simpler down the road.
Yeah, the parents have to be vested and in control of the situation. But what if you have multiple devices? You have phones, you have laptops, you have tablets. What do you do?
Well, so long as your kids have devices that only get access to the internet from Wi-Fi, not cellular access, phones are tougher to control. But if they're just Wi-Fi driven, a couple of options. You have your routers. These are the things that put Wi-Fi throughout your house. You can get ones that also have parental controls on them. Some people don't like to mess with the router, so they choose a third-party device. One that I like from Disney, our parent company, is called Circle, and this is a very simple way to shut the internet off, even limiting some apps on devices for kids.
Good to know. I've been really happy with YouTube Kids, but you know, opening up the internet, you're opening up Pandora's box, you could say. How do you make the internet as safe as possible?
You wish there was some software that would blacklist all the bad stuff and whitelist all the good stuff. It's just not that simple anymore. It's like asking your kid to cross a 6-lane road. You either hold their hand and supervise them, or you teach them what's the right thing to do, and then step away and cross your fingers.
Yeah, you empower them for those situations. Just pray they don't step into traffic. Becky, thank you very much.